What is up, my peeps? You're gonna like this video. Got some great footage. Got my biggest fish I've ever caught out of a boat. My third biggest fish ever. And it was awesome. So it's the last fish I catch. So if you want to skip forward, it's like halfway through the video and I catch a giant. So it was so much fun. And it was so awesome. When I first catch it, I don't have any idea what size fish I have. And I really got lucky to get it in that he didn't throw it out on one of his couple jumps. But you're gonna enjoy this. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Have a great day, whatever it is that you're watching. Later.
Headed out to the pond, he's gonna catch some toads. You're watching Predator bass fishing with Danny Rhodes. Whether he's ripping lips or unboxing it, he's doing everything under the sun. And you can catch it all here on Predator bass fishing.
See if I can jar my camera loose before we get started. Definitely got it crooked. A lot of weeds sitting around the top. This lady down here at this dock caught a giant last year. She was down there just making a noise like she did something. There's one. Nice one. Easy. Ow. Dang it. I'm having the worst trouble with these not a bad one, about a 12-incher, a little on the skinny side, hanging out by that little bluegill spawn thing. This is right over here. You can get just off the bank, probably 10, 12 feet. All the little guys are up in the crap. And all the 18, 20 inches are lurking just off of that where you can't see them from the bank. If you You got polarized glasses. Every once in a while you can get a glimpse of them.
You always take on some. Little bluegill.
Wow. Little guy. And he had it for a minute. Very little guy. Little guy on the chatterbait. Chatterbait. Haha. You getting in?
Nope.
Come on.
I won't get in your way.
You ain't getting in my way. Getting in the way of me not catching anything.
Have you ever got a football jig?
That was the third one. Yeah. Yeah, I got a couple.
I just bought one tonight.
The smaller ones probably do better when there's weeds.
Yeah, he's smaller.
That was first cast with a chatterbait. I've been using worm and stuff. I've only got 2. So now they probably want something moving. Now that you got your worm on.
Thanks. Oh, are you serious? It's like,
Oh, it's a plopper. I was thinking you had your worm on still. I think they want stuff moving right now.
yeah.
I mean, they'll eat a worm too, but not as.
See that?
Yeah. The old plopper looking good.
Nice.
13. Feisty little sucker. Somebody sore lipped him in the jaw, if that wasn't just me. Chatterbait fish. We don't need him. We don't need him swimming around the boat. He was almost swimming around the 6 inches of water I got in the boat.
I thought he fell off.
He did.
Oh,
I thought I better grab him before he starts
yeah.
swimming in my little pond in here.
Super. Did he get off?
Yeah. Well, it was a quick release. He was like an 8-incher.
I think they're done with the whopper this year. For now. Oh, that's pretty good.
Felt decent for a second.
Fighter. action reel?
Yeah, that's my like medium action. About a 12-y. Feisty little 12-y. Little guy, 10-incher. Not mad at it. Oh boy. Oh boy. Get him back in there. Little clam shell down there. Not a giant, but not bad. That's 16. That's 16.
I forgot about to say about that too. It sits in poison.
I've learned what it looks like.
Yeah.
I didn't know for a long time.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. All right. Hooked him from the outside in, right through the eye socket. I think he's all right. Jeez. I want to throw a worm up in here. That can't be the same fish that just jumped. There's no way. He's got a sore jaw. He's about an 8-incher with a sore jaw. The one that jumped looked freaking big. That was his little baby brother. Let's see if we can get big brother, big mama. She was right up there too. Right there. Come on now. You know you like a big woman. For breakfast, for dinner. Just eat it, you fool. There's no way that little. Oh, I took my head off. About took my own head off. Dang it. Dang it, that fish was like a good one. Huh? All right. Thank you, brother.
Can we help you out?
Nah. They still down there?
Oh, yeah.
I wish I had a shot down there for a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the worst I've ever seen.
Could probably catch a ton of fish back there.
Yeah. Yeah, we've hardly caught any back there. So they're waiting.
Had a big one jump over here by the bank, so I threw up there.
Yeah.
Caught about a 6-incher. Then I threw back in there, got the bite, and about took my head off with the bullet sinker. And he took my worm. Now he's too smart for it. You seen the green heron lately?
I have. Not recently.
I heard one squawk somewhere I was at.
They're loud.
Yeah. Gee. Right in my face. Dude, he's taking some drag. You hear him?
Yeah.
I can't have it. Holy crap. He's 5 anyway. I didn't think he was that big. Man, he is digging.
Pulls it out.
Man, he's digging. Holy crap, he's big. Ah.
Wow.
Wow.
Where was he?
Right up in there. Ooh, my rod's in the water. Wow, dude.
That's a good one.
That could be, he's long. I didn't know if I could get one in like that out here.
Yeah.
556.
Nice. Second biggest? Is that right?
What? Third biggest out of here. Holy crap.
I don't know how close I can get you.
Man, I wish I could get over there to where we could show the camera a little bit better than this. Wow. And I want you to be able to, if you want to.
Do what?
I was wanting you to maybe, I don't know.
I'd get you a picture, but
Yeah?
I can get a pretty good picture right here. You don't need me.
I heard that. I don't know if that's the one I heard jumping out.
Wow. Let's just stop there. Oh, geez, I zoomed way in. 1, 2.
Maybe my biggest fish ever out of a boat.
You think?
Yeah.
I think I got some good ones.
Okay.
Dude, he is nice.
Yeah. Look how freaking fat.
Up on the edge.
I don't think he's gonna take a long time like the other.
Yeah.
I don't know. He's not any big giant or anything.
It's fine. We can get another picture.
Yeah. Show my camera one more time.
That?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Man.
Here, now the sun's gone. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I think I got a few good ones.
Let's let you go, girl. What'd I say, 556?
Yeah.
Whew.
I thought you had a 554.
Yeah, maybe 554. Wow, dude. That, hey, tail's a little bit red like that one I caught last time. I'd say it's not the same one, but
Yeah.
almost want to push off and let him out here get a breath when there's no
Oh,
weeds and crap. Man, he's thick, isn't he? I was all worried about that one. I was like, man, did I have him out of the water too long and this and that? And
yeah. Well, I'm glad it didn't go in.
he's about ready, I think. Woo!
He's big.
Man, that was awesome, dude. I didn't think he was that big. When I first hooked him, I was kind of playing him a little bit.
Yeah.
What?
Just the the picture of you. He's a fatty.
Man, I know. Dude, I'd like to... I have these measuring tapes at work where you can like measure the girth, like all the way around them.
Yeah.
That one I caught the other day, that sucker he was between 4 and 5 inches wide. I mean, that thing right there he was taller.
Yeah.
That one, like, where you see him swimming, it's crap. It's like, oh crap.
Yeah.
Man, he was pulling that drag. Wow.
Yeah.
Good one to end on.
Yep.
Or catch another one just like him.
I got 3 picks. I'll send them to you.
Probably never happened.
Be done.
I'm glad you stayed out here. I wouldn't have had any way to tell you. That guy coming in! That guy coming in! You're okay. I think I can get out.
You're done.
Don't have a hernia. I now can get out for sure. Man, dude.
That's a lot of water.
Man, that was freaking awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, and I was all upset the other day. It's like, man, I didn't have it on freaking video. It's like, that just made up for it tonight, baby. Hey, that might be I think that's the biggest fish I've ever caught out of a boat. That's maybe my 3rd biggest ever. I mean, we didn't have scales here for a while. We caught some big ones.
Yeah. I don't think he's that big.
Even that one where you zoomed way in and stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm thinking that was like a 20, 21.
You think? He was a good size.
I mean, we've caught multiple 20 inchers, but I think they were like between 4 and 5 pounders. You know what I mean? That was, man, that was 22, 23.
Yeah.
Probably 22.
See, it's something like that I don't know how the kayak would be.
It'll pull you around. He wasn't pulling this around really.
Yeah.
I mean, he was pulling that drag. Wow, he was pulling that drag.
Yeah.
Hey, that's why you got to have it set right, because he'd have broke my line if I didn't have it set right.
Yeah.
Hey, I think he showed himself up there.
Yeah.
Because I was like, man, that's a big one. Then I threw up and caught that 6-incher. I'm like, oh, geez.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know if that was him that bit there at the end or not. But man, yes, that's what it's all about.
That was cool.
Hey, thanks for watching this edition of Predator Bass Fishing. Beautiful sunset.